Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers back out here in Overland Park, Kansas. What we've got here on this project is we've got 3 wall braces we're going to add in here. They had the gentleman that we're doing the work for bought this house, and as you can see, the cookie cutter foundation repair people have struck again, doing this all wrong. So we're going to come in here and redo everything, add 3 beams, and then finish this concrete driveway out here, or garage floor, excuse me. It's early. My brain's not open yet. All right. Right here, we're going to form back a beautiful new garage floor. The old one was broke, cracked, and so we're going to make quick business of this. So stay with us. Come back here in about 2 hours, and this will be a new, beautiful garage floor. King Piers in Overland Park. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, or concrete needs, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.